What's the minimum budget for PPC consultation and ad spending? This is a recent query I got today. And before I answer, let me introduce myself. My name is Raza, and I'm an owner of a Google Party company with the name of Aarswebs.com, and you can find the link in the description for this. So I just recently got a query, and I'm here with this query over here. And let me repeat again. The question is, what is the minimum budget for PPC consultation and ad spending? Okay, I have a small business in a niche field, dog training and niche dog support, in person and local only. I would like to explore PPC to boost lead generation while I work on improving SEO, but I'm still trying to get established and don't have a huge budget. Okay, understood. What is the lowest budget range I can expect for figuring out a based PPC plan and monthly spending on keyword bids? Does anyone anything help, or does anything help, or is there some minimum where below that you probably shouldn't bother? Okay, I think that in this niche as well, I do not think that anything less than $1,000 per month, you need to work. This should be your minimum budget if you're ready. I'm not saying that we are going to spend all of this budget, but if you're ready with $1,000 monthly spending minimum, then it's good. Otherwise you may end up losing money, because Google takes time. And the good thing is that you are doing SEO. So with SEO we can figure out what keywords are working well for us. I can give an idea. Maybe you have optimized your landing page as well. For basic PPC support, we may need to install some conversion tracking tools, some AI tools to record user sessions, to improve to analysis. We may need to look around at some of the competitors to figure out their campaigns, their ad strategy, their marketing strategy, so that we can come up with our own strategy. We can look around for the data. With SEO, whatever data for SEO is available, that will be definitely helpful for PPC, so we can use and cross connect that data as well. So yeah, with a combination of all this, we can definitely help around. And the minimum budget for for any PPC industry should be $1,000 per month. So I hope this answers your question and query. And if you or anyone needs a professional Google Ads management service, you can simply hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is Aarswebs.com, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching, and I hope I was able to answer your question as well. Take care, bye bye.